Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the smooth action indicators on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator has candles similar to the Heiken.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Heiken Ashi indicator, with the difference that its changes are smoother and more refined, allowing us to better identify trends with this indicator compared to the simple Heiken Ashi indicator. Here, the red candles indicate a downward trend, and the blue candles indicate an upward trend. We can use this indicator similarly to a moving average. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. This indicator uses two moving averages in its settings and calculations. Here we can specify the method for the first moving average, which is set to smoothed by default, and we can also specify the period for the first moving average. Similarly, for the second moving average, we can specify both its method and its period. The last parameter is for the number of candles in the markets past on which these calculations are performed. We will see a live test of this indicator on a platform like MetaTrader 5. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We will see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comment section to help improve the indicators.